Good morning, everybody. We are going to this mountain. You see the way it's big, almost 14 floor. You see, check this building. This building is 38 with extra 2, making 40. And check the mountain, almost 20 something. You see it? We are going there. Can this thing happen in your location now in Fula, Nigeria? You can enter the mountain, you can walk through the mountain like this to go up there. You see, now we are starting from here now. Look, let's go there. Yeah, we are going now. We're still going. Check on top the mountain. You see it? Everybody can do exercise here. Yeah, I know this one. I always use this one in Abadan.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see? Let's go. We are still going. We are going to 24th floor or 30th floor. We don't know. But the mountain that I show you now, you will see it when we reach there. See? Different exercise, you see? You come here, just stretch your muscle. You see it? You see it? Yeah. You see? Good. And check up there. Check up there. You see, all this one for the adult and for the young one. Anyone who want to do the exercise, you climb the mountain. And this one rolling one, you see, by this side different. This another one with a leg foot, but I think you have a problem. That's why they put this barricade there. Let's go there. We are still going up. We are going to the mountain. Let's go.
This one 一直去到上環啊，
中
環啊。
中環。
呢個一直行去中環㗎。
Okay. Check the mountain. Check the building and the mountain. You see? The building is 40 building, 38 with plus 2 extra. And now check the mountain, almost 20 to 30. You see? Check. Let's go there. We are still going.
Okay.
You see? Now we are almost like a 4th floor now. You see it? Check this building. Up 40. Now we are like a 4-story now. We are going to 6 now. Let's go. You see it? You see this place? This another. You can read it. You see? Walking rail. You see? If you want to go with a staircase, check it. This is mountain. All this place you see is a mountain. You see? If you want to go with a staircase and you hold it, you can make it up, straight up. But because if you have a leg problem or knee problem, now that's why you need to walk. You see? This is heel up. But I don't know what to call it, but it's not step. You understand? Now that is step, but you can still link to someone the same place. You see it? Now check. Check the place. Check all their building. You see where they can play tennis, they can do the exercise. Look, you see this red one where you can do exercise. and see where you can play table tennis or anything there. You can play football there. You see, they do it for all the building. Now, let's go. We are still going. We are going to this mountain. Check the mountain with the building. How many floors you can judge on yourself. You can never find this in Africa. You see, but we say the country that they have the resources, especially I'm talking about for Nigeria. You see, when they're supposed to have all those things. No, if any problem happen in this mountain now, you see all this road, every road they can do something there. All those grass is them, they put it there, not natural. They put it there, they make the grass to grow up there. You understand now? All these forests you see is not a forest. It's uncommon people. They make it as a forest, so that when you are walking, you breathe like you are in the forest. You can you can persuade some smell and leave natural activities, you know, natural smell from the leaves, from the trees. You see, it's them that make it. It's not a forest. If you don't see it very well. And all those trees, they have a number. You should know they need to work on it every time. They need to work on it. If any problem, then we know that tree number so is falling down. You see it again. You see, to know it's a mountain, check. This is it. We are telling you, for Nigeria, I can never walk. How many mountains in Nigeria where you can enter like this, you can climb the mountain like this? Maybe, I don't know, you can comment and show me where and how to go there. Maybe you can go and try it. You see, some other people, maybe it's for government or ordinary person, just come and plant something here. You see it? Yeah. Let's go. We are still going up. See you, Sam. Yeah, we use the staircase to make it a little bit faster. Let's go there. You see? As I told you guys, this place is not a forest. It's uncommon people put all these trees there. Now we continue climbing again. We are going to on top the mountain, 30 floor with the foot, 30 floor with the foot. Let's go. You go a little, you can rest, you can just relax and continue your journey. You see it? If you want to feel like you are in the village, this is uncommon for you. This is uncommon for you. You see? You can feel like you are in the village. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, slowly. You see, all this place is on top of the mountain. You see? Yeah. On top of the mountain. Check everywhere. Yeah. You see people there going, everyone just going their own way, different way. You see, some people using this one to make the flower. You see, this is individual. Check. You see. We are like in the village, in the farm area. You can rest here, you can sit down. If you have something to drink, food, you just do it and continue your journey. Let's go. We are still going. We are going 30 floor. 30 floor. I'm getting tired. But no, it's a war. We need to finish the war. Let's go there. You see. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. You go back, we go straight to the right hand side? Okay. Baby, let's go. Let's. Dah, malah what? Dah. But you say let's go. It's you say we should go there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't be tired. Don't worry, I'll give you energy. I will pass energy to you. Yeah, use my energy to build. Yeah, yeah. Let me give you my energy. Yeah, go. Small, small. Slowly, slowly. Now when you reach there, we stop. Yeah. Sorry. After finish, we go to Chinese restaurants.
You.
No, you go front. Go front. Me, I be at the back. I'm a man. Men be at the back. I'm a good leader. I'm not a Nigeria leader. I'm a good leader, taking care of you. Slowly, 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 slowly. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay. Kuru kuru. Kuru 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 kuru. Hungry, don't worry. After finish, you eat a lot today, don't worry. Don't.
Oh.
Energy now. Okay.
唔好上啦。哦，再上冇氣。
你就向望行咧，就係會經過紅磡，咁穿彎落去一路斜路落，再斜路落咧就係香港仔嚟。
一分鐘。
冇嘢㗎嗰度。
See the road.
OK。
如果唔係咧，要去香港仔水塘。
Now we are going this road now.
喺頂嗰度有
When you climb,
翻落去一
you
樣。
go.
OK。
係啊。好啦，拜拜。
Okay, thank you, bye bye.
冇氣。
You see, everything have a number. You see, water supply department. You see, the country that is working. You see, other side, from other angle. You see it, other side from other angle. See them working slowly, slowly, slowly. They're just doing the exercise. Yeah. Everything. Sure. You see, yeah, they are still young. They are young people, young guys. They can climb the step and still run. You see, if you want to go there, you see, they do the step. Okelango, though, that is in Nigeria. Can you go like this? Can you walk on this place? You see, if any problem now, this fire station, fire service people, they can still come through this side to do something there. They know where to step. But in your country, can this thing happen? That's why we are talking that Nigeria is not a country. See, we are on top of the mountain now. See the building, I'm telling you. Look the building. Look where I am. The building is 40 story. Now, see where we are now. You can calculate it now. More than 20, 30 now. We are more than 30, if you can see it. You see? Check. How many? You can count the window there. You see? That is it. We are telling you that Nigeria is not a country. You see, they make a net here in case the floor is shaking. Maybe some stone can be falling. That's why this thing will guide it a little bit. You understand now? That's why they put this barbed wire to cover it. You see? Everybody you watch, check. Everywhere, check. You see the nice view. If you want to feel like, okay, let me go to the village to see a trees, to see forest. You see, this is the Western World forest. You see, forest. And when you are walking in this side, your eyes will see a lot of green like this. It gives the eyes energy. As it's philosophy people saying it. We are not educated. We are not going to school. What they say, when you are staying surrounding the leaves, green leaves, you can give your eyes energy. You see, that's why you see people in the village, their eyes is working properly, nicely with when they are old. That is it. You see, everywhere. Look. In case you want to know who is talking, yeah, it's me, Omodaramola, Payan of Asia. Yeah, let's go there. We just use it for exercise and to show you around to see what is happening in the Western world. Don't compare Asia, all Asia, compare with Africa. Never do that, because most of Asian countries are developed than most of African countries. You see, that's it. Where you can find all these things is only South Africa. I don't know Morocco. Yes, those people, they are developed too. They are living like a Westerner. Morocco, Algeria, Egypt, but other African black country. You see, check. You see, check. You see, like a water, like a what can I say? When a lot of water, how to pass through. When it's raining now and a big water, the water will pass it through. You see? Check. You see it? And now send the big, check the big hole. That's it. See, Sam? Be careful. Yeah, water. Yeah, you see, this is water level may rise. You see, suddenly and with warning. You see, you can read it. You can read it. Check. You see, yeah. They say water level can be rise. I hope You understand what I mean? Everywhere with a signboard, you can know where you are. You see now? It's we are clamping before, but now we are enjoying. Our foot is resting now. Our knee get a rest now because it's straight again. Later on, we still using staircase. Maybe, I don't know, because it's first time. I always sit on the far. You see, they tell you this is sign. Look, on concrete. This one shy gap. This last one Peak Road. Now come to this one, Hong Grill. You see, Poktuman, what, you see. Now you go to this one, we are going to this one. Aberdeen, we are going to Aberdeen. Let's go there. Let's go there. This is another road. We don't go that side, you see. But we are going to this road. See many people. No, this is Aberdeen. Aberdeen. This is Aberdeen. You see everybody walking with their dog doing the exercise. Just doing the exercise. Yeah. Yeah. If that in Bonnie. If that in Bonnie now, you can check the mountain. We are coming from that side. Now check the mountain. Check the mountain now. The mountain is still higher than the building. The mountain is still higher than the building. See, you can't see the building. The building is on top this. It's up this one. You see? You see? Go. Let's go. This is building under the trees there. Now go like this. You see? The mountain is still higher than the building.
What?
Wow.
Yeah, you see.
A long time.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. You see?
You see this one?
After they make the iron and this one is growing, the trees is growing on top until cover the iron. You see it? It's covered the iron already. Nothing there. You see? It covered the iron. Even this small one. You see this small one? It's covered the iron already. That means it's long time. And to know that it's them that make this tree is not the one that you grow himself. It's some people put a little stick down and later on it become a big Iroko tree. That is it. You see, Western world, everything. You see it? When a lot of raining, they have where to pass. Not like if we are Nigeria. That's why we are talking. Let us go, Yoruba nation, no going back. Check the building now. You see? You see? The building is down. You see where we are. And you see the mountain. The mountain is bigger than the building. Eddie, cat is coming from the bush. And this man just giving the food. He doesn't know the cat is staying here. And he just come here giving the food. You see? That's a Western world. In Nigeria, how many people have a food to eat that you can give animal food? You see? All this food that you see is expensive. It's expensive. You see? You see the cat. He's staying here. You see? He don't want them to pull him outside. You see? He eats slowly. He's looking like our cat, but our cat is bigger than this. You see? My woman is telling the man that God will bless you. You see it? Now. you can help people through this. But if you never eat food, how can you help? You helping animal in the bush. You see, that means no one is suffer in the city. I can't lie to you. What I'm hearing now is say they're always giving the food.
Why this one?
They're always giving the food all the time. They know this cat now. Sapsoy?
Saplock.
Saplock?
Yeah.
Saplock?
Yeah.
35 years.
Yeah.
Ah. Long time. They know the cat since when it's young. They're always passing because those people they are always 70 something years now with a wife. They say they always pass here, bring the food for the cat. Saplock. 36, sorry, Saplock is 36 years. Yeah, they say they know it as a baby, and now they're passing here giving food. Some people, not only them.
問一問你係咪落香港仔啊？
係啊係啊，
好，唔該晒，唔該晒。
啱廟嗰度落去市中心㗎啦。
OK，thank you。this is Aberdeen.
Yeah, Aberdeen. Okay.
Why you no 咧就me go。
Go okay.
你去咧，你去，你 no 冇時間 no time。
Night time
去。
Okay.
number
What
one.
is trying to tell me that that this cat they know it when it's a baby. They don't know where it's coming from. Now these two men and women that we meet there, they're always giving the food. They do exercise. They don't know each other. Now from there, when the woman pass there, you see the guy that is giving the cat the food, and later on they talk to each other. Okay, me too, I will be bringing the food now. Since that time, they are bringing the food to this cat. You understand now? Saplock means 36 years. Now they become friends with this cat. You see, if the guy doesn't have a time to come, the woman will come and give the food. You understand? They just become friends. They are not husband and wife. They are not boyfriend. Just a friend. They are men and women. Now they are 72 years, 75 years. Two of them. You see life. That is what we are saying. Tell me, if they are not able to eat on their own, can they do this to the cat? That's why. How many people in Fula, Nigeria can do that to the animal? That is it. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Yeah, I think I take you around now. You can see many things. Okay, let me stop here so that you can have a rest of your weekend. You can enjoy yourself. Yeah, Yoruba Nation, no going back. Africa, wake up, especially Fula, Nigeria. Yoruba, wake up. Let's go our way. Let's go. Let us plan ourselves as a country, as a nation. Thank you. Yoruba Nation, no going back. God bless you all. Bye. Thank you for watching.
You see this hamamang? Understand? Yeah. Oh my God.